Okay, here's another first. Today I'm making a video on how to change a battery on a Nissan Elgrand. For those of you that don't know what a Nissan Elgrand is, one of these Japanese import MPV. This is an '09 version, bloody great van. So I show you inside. Great van. I changed the dash in this. When we had it, this sat nav was all in Japanese. It was fantastic driving down the street, and this was shouting to you in Japanese. So I actually took all this whole dashboard out, fitted a brand new imported head unit into this, so all of the controls remain the same, but we've now got a UK sat nav. So for those of you that are interested, drop me a message and I can show you one where I got the head unit from. It wasn't cheap, it was like 800 quid imported from New Zealand. But you've got to take the dash out. It's quite a complicated job. I did start to make a video on this and stopped, but because quite a complex process. My neighbour's washing his car, I can just see. Yeah. But these Nissan Elgrands, they seem to be popping up everywhere. They are Japanese import. They are right-hand drive for the UK roads, fully road legal. This thing is absolutely fantastic. This is a 2.5 litre V6. There is a 3.5 litre V6, which is more costly on fuel. Full electric, everything electric. Doors, sliding doors, those sliding doors there, fully electric both sides. Headlamps, heating matrix, lights, windows, heated and cooled seats, 3 sunroofs, 7 seats. It's got everything in it. This thing is absolutely ridiculous. Pulls well, absolutely bulletproof engine wise, but we've got a problem with it. The battery is now well, it's the original battery. So I show you here the original Japanese battery. So we've had this about 2 years ago. I had this imported and the battery's about 7 years old. Struggled to get a battery for this, but I did get one online from Tanda Battery Supplies. I'll put a link in the message below. Absolutely fantastic. So I've got the battery here wrapped up. First thing we need to do is take off these well, we've got 10mm, so my trusty 10mm backhoe set, which was on the floor there. So backhoe set there, one of some of the best tools you can ever buy. So we've got the battery here. So for those of you that need to know there, the positive and the negative are not the normal way around. So when you buy a battery for these, we went to Halfords, they didn't actually they didn't have them in stock, so we had to buy one from Tanda online company. They're absolutely fantastic. Again, link in the description below. Got to take off this securing strap first. They're both 10mm bolts. Then we've got to take off the negative and positive, again both 10mm bolts. Open that, 10mm bolt there, 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt. But you only have to take off this strap, 2 screws either side there, and then we can lift the battery out and replace it with this brand new battery there. So I'll do that now. I'll unwrap the battery and show you that. Bit of a closer look now, so you can see there, Japanese there. It's the original battery that came with it from Japan, even the original Japanese stickers. 10mm on that one, 10mm on that one. We'll remove it. You can see, like I said, the positive and negative are opposite. On most batteries they're actually reversed that way, so make sure when you buy a battery the positive and negative are the right way round. The battery goes in with the terminals facing the back, and you need to make sure, like I said, here's the company that I supplied off. Is Tana, not Tanya, Tanda, whatever I said. So they're the battery suppliers there. Contact them and they will sort you out. Shipped it directly to my house. Here's the engine. Like I said, we've got the 2.5 V6 version, and here is that battery. You can see here 2 battery covers from the shipping. The boxes on the floor there. Comes in a really well packaged box, so well done. It's an endurance advanced starting technology, 12 volt 60 amp an hour, which is fine for this make and vehicle. And it's got the 510 amp starting capacity with the added advanced start technology. Perfect for this to go straight in here. So we're going to start the swap out on this. I'm going to take it from there and swap this bad boy over. But again, that's the front of the Nissan Elgrand. I recently actually restored these headlights. They come a bit yellow when you bring them from Japan, so I used that Armorlight, I think it is, the headlight restorer, and that has brought that up really well. Okay, so nice and solid, the new battery's in. Always keep the plastic shroud. You can see there the terminal, it's the sticker's the wrong way around, but it's that Tainar batteries again. Positive, negative, make sure you really tighten them down tight, that's not going anywhere. You can see that's absolutely solid. This one does have a battery indicator, it's green for good. Other than that, it's all good to go. So we're going to start the engine now for the first time. One thing, do note, that's the old Japanese battery there. Make sure you put the covers on there before you dispose of it. You don't want one of those shorting out in the back of your car or while it's sitting outside in transit. And I'll put that inside the box to dispose of it. So we're going to now start the car. Says keyless. Straight away fires up. And you can see there, that's the touchscreen sat nav, so we've got no battery faults on here. Everything's working. That's good. Hell of a car. And you can see that it is in English, the sat nav. So I've actually put the English stickers on everything. And you can see that it's all in English. Also DVD player in this one. So that's it really. Nice and simple job for a Sunday. Battery change. Car's now healthy. We'll take you for a spin around the block just to give it a little bit of a top up during production and storage and shipping. Other than that, hope you enjoyed the little quick video. Like, subscribe to the channel. Any comments below, I'll answer them where I can. Stay tuned for more content. Have a good weekend, everyone.